This video was a request by DK. If you want to watch it, it's on my YouTube channel. Enjoy! Hi guys, this is me, Netra Lulla. Today we are going to vote for the Group of the Year for MTV Video Music Awards. So let's go! Step 1. Go to MTV's latest story. Nominees go head to head. Tap to vote. Okay, these 8 people are in this category. For me, it's BLACKPINK and BTS. For me, let's see. It is neither CNCO nor Silk Sonic. For me, it is BLACKPINK. For me, it is BTS. And also for me, it is neither Jonas Brothers nor 21 Pilots. Come back tomorrow and see who will be on the next round. By the way, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe so that you won't miss any of my future content. Bye!